Hello, this is Tosh Tires. I've got Hyundai ix35 here. Just doing the headlight bulb on this. As you can see, the main dip beam on the driver's front is working, but on the passenger side isn't, as well as the little 501 bulb right inside. That's not working as well on both sides. So we're just going to replace them now. Just going to show you. Basically, first what I do is switch the ignition off, switch the lights off. And now I'm going to show you how it's done. So for this one I might need a light. So all you do, this is going to be the quite awkward one. As you can see, there's enough room around this area here, but it is really awkward to get to. So all you do, take the cover off first, then drop the cover, whatever you do. On the inside where you've got this yellow cable right here, and the plug is right on the inside. If you've got skinny fingers, you may be able to get to it and then pull it with your fingers. Otherwise, all you do is, if you get a flat screwdriver, push it right in and gently wiggle and pull it out towards you. That's out. So that's the 501 bulb. I've got it out already. So it's a capless bulb. We're now going to get a new one. Right, now that I've got it out, I've got the 501 bulb right here in front of, right here with me now. It's very difficult. There we go. That's the bulb you need, and it's a capless bulb. So all I'll do is now is try to slot the bulb in. Obviously I'm working on my own, so it might be a little bit difficult, but nothing's impossible. You gotta go, you gotta do it. Here we go. That's pushed in. I now slot the bulb into the hole. You may not be able to see it. That hole right there on the right, on the left or the right, whichever side you're on. So just push the bulb in, gently slot the bulb. Now as I've done that, I'm just gonna check, see if it's working before I carry on doing something else. As you can see now, that's working. So all I've got to do is I've got to do this side now. This is quite a simple procedure again, but this has got enough room, so you might not even need a screwdriver. As you can see right there's the brown, sort of brownish yellow cable, and the main H7 bulb is right here as well. I'll do a video on the H7 in a minute. Let's just finish this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.